Hello everyone, this is April and today I'm going to show to you how to make extra money online by answering surveys through iPanel Online. So, first of all, sorry sa if naririnig yun yung mga manok, yung mga chicken na kasi it's almost 5 a.m. here. Here I am recording this video. Anyway, what is iPanel? iPanel Online. Just a brief introduction of this background of this company. So, MyPanel Online is a professional online sample service company to help business or individuals to complete the sample collection of market research. So, basically, nagkakandak sila or nagkakandak sila ng mga surveys through online. Yun nga, for market research purposes. So, first step is you will go to new tab and you will type tinyurl.com/ipanel-pagel. So, this is a shortened version of the original link since mas madali siyang i-familiarize. So, pero don't worry, ilalagay ko to sa description box. And, yung two links. So, kahit saan naman, kung anong gusto mo, it's okay. So, kapag na-click mo na yun, na-enter mo na, mariredirect ka to this page. Dito ka pwede mag-sign up if you are a new member. Lalagay mo yung name mo, yung nickname, email, tapos yung desired password mo, enter mo ulit, and then the verification code. And next is, don't forget to tick the agree, that you agree and accept the service terms. If you want to read naman, if you want to read this, you can click this and read the entire terms if you want, and then click start to register. Once na maklik nyo yan, you will be redirected to not multiple pages, but next page where you need to enter your contact information and then your personal information as well, and then you complete your registration. For you to be able to successfully complete your registration, you need to verify your email address. So, pumunta ka lang sa email mo, Gmail ba or Yahoo, or depende yun sa email mo. Click mo yung verification link and then verify na yung account mo. Next is, kapag na-click mo na yun and then successful na verify na yung account mo, mariredirect ka sa page na ganito. Since nakalagin na ako, kaya madali na lang. And next is, pag enter mo lang, the first page na makikita mo is yung dashboard. So, this one here, this page is called the dashboard. And then, this area, this is where you can see the available surveys na pwede mong sagutan. In this case kasi, nasagutan ko na siya earlier, so wala nang natirang service sa akin kasi tapos ko na siya. But if may mga available na naman service for you, nakalista siya, dito siya nakalista. So, nakalagay yung number, yung title, yung rewarding points, kung ilang points yung pwede mong makuha or yung mga ma-earn mo through that survey. Magdidepende din yan sa sagot mo, or if pag na-complete mo, kung ano yung rewarding points nakalagay, complete mo yung makukuha. And then, yung start and end time. So, itutur ko lang muna kayo dito sa site para mas ma-familiarize kayo. To this tab, My Survey, dito yung paid service, which is this page. Next is the hot survey. Under the member center tab, meron yung personal information where you could edit your profile. Yung notice, news. It's pretty straightforward, I guess. And then yung points nyo. Kung gusto nyo mag-invite ng mga new friends nyo or yung mga nakilala nyo gusto nyo i-refer dito sa site, you could click this inviting friends. Tapos, here, you could, at the bottom, you could see your link and then send it to them if you want. Kung gusto mong mag-refer sa kanila. Kung gusto mo din sila na mag-register din dito sa site and magsagot ng mga surveys. And next is redeem for tab. Kung may sapat ka na points, pwede mo na siyang i-redeem for cash. So, dito sa redemptions list, ito yung parang history, transaction history mo if naka-withdraw ka na. Next is for membership tab. Under it is the opinion of members. Nga pala, every time na nag-login ka, kunwari, for this day, yung nag-login ka, automatic na may 1 point ka agad. And kung mag-send ka din, or mag-share ka ng opinions mo or anything, here in opinion of members section, pwede mo mag-share ka kahit anong gusto mo i-share. Tapos, kapag na-publish mo yan, successfully published mo yan, may 1 point ka din. So, meaning, kapag nag-login ka lang, and then, nag-share ka ng opinion mo, automatically, may bonus ka na 2 points. So, yun yan. And, next is, dito, kung gusto mo mabasa, more about their site, their company, then, pwede mo ulit basahin yung privacy. Tapos, kung may mga tanong ka, or may concern ka, pwede mo i-click yung contact us, tapos mag-send ka ng ticket, or parang, yung concern mo. And then, frequently answered questions. Kung before ka magpadala ng mga katanungan mo, you could check fact first if nandito ba yung mga kasagutan sa mga tanong mo. And then, on the right side, you can see na my survey, yun nga. And then my points, yung points mo, and online inquiry. Same ata siya sa contact us. So, ito sa my points, makikita mo dito yung total points mo, kung magkano na yung na-redeem mo, at saka magkano na lang yung natira, o yung balance mo. And then, sa baba, makikita mo yung more detailed information about your points, kung saan mo siya nakuha. Accumulate. Okay, and then, yun, number of items, and makikita mo yung points mo dito. Yan. So, I think this is the end for this video, and on my next tutorial, I'll be showing you some proofs na legit talaga sila, since nakita nyo naman yung kanina na nakapag-redeem na ako ng 1,000. Actually, nag-register ako last year, since I was curious about this site, kung legit ba sila, kasi I've read some reviews online. Before ako pumapasok or nag-register sa isang site, or sa isang parang money making, or for extra money online, nag-research muna ako ng mga reviews if legit ba talaga sila, if may proof, since na-curious ako, and parang yun na nga, nag-register ako dito sa panel online. And then, yun yung start. But, after, I think, 1 to 2 months, naging inactive ako. So, ngayon lang ako bumalik, and I want to create a tutorial for you. Kasi, I want to share this kind of opportunity din sa inyo, na makapag-earn. So, yun lang. I hope to see you again, or sana, patuloy pa din kayo mag-subaybay dun sa step-by-step tutorial ko for this kind of online opportunity. So, yun lang po, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.